My PhD was in organic farming systems. My name is Chad Hutchinson. I'm the Director of Research for TriEst Ag GROUP. I oversee product development research on chloropicrin in bare ground systems.
I'm Noah Rosenzweig, plant pathologist. I'm an assistant professor at Michigan State University in the Department of Plant, Soils, and Microbial Sciences.
Chloropicrin has been around for an awful long time. Researchers were injecting it into soil, and they found that we're in a position now where this product is still being used successfully and safely to control numerous soil-borne diseases and soil-borne pathogens, improve crop yield, improve crop quality to the benefit of society. So it's quite a remarkable change from where it started to where it is today.
The first trial that we did, we wanted to look at different rates of chloropicrin and see how that affects soil-borne disease and potato production.
What ends up happening a lot of times when you're not able to suppress a disease, you farm the crop and you also farm the disease. And in the end, that disease is going to get the upper hand. Chloropicrin in this system suppresses disease and allows that farmer to farm the crop and not farm the disease and the crop.
And unfortunately, potato is really prone to soil-borne diseases. A lot of those varieties get scab and are plagued by these soil-borne diseases, and that reduces the marketability. If you have scab on your potato, you're using it for chips, you got to peel away a lot more of the potato than you would if they were a clean potato.
The primary one that causes problems is Verticillium wilt. It complexes with a nematode called Lesion Nematode. Chloropicrin is very good at suppressing Verticillium wilt and the nematode that is in that complex as well. And that helps result in higher yields at the end of the season.
One of the main reasons why we use fumigation in potato production is to try to reduce the amount of these pathogens in the soil. Common scab caused by streptomyces scabies, but also they think 13 other streptomyces species. That's where I see another benefit to fumigants is in the managing of those diseases.
So the first time we put chloropicrin in the ground and harvested that crop, it was quite remarkable the difference between treated and non-treated. We think of chloropicrin having sort of a 1-2 punch when it's applied. Initially, it's going to reduce or suppress disease in the field, and then after application, when the crop is growing, we see a return of beneficial microorganisms that help that plant resist disease throughout the season. Suppression of those organisms provides higher yields and better quality. Chloropicrin has a very unique fit in the potato industry.
A big push is to focus on soil health. The biological, the physical, and the chemical factors in the soil, components in the soil, all working together to create a healthier crop.
I would say the biggest misconception about chloropicrin and its family of products that we market is that when you put chloropicrin in the soil that it's going to sterilize that soil, and that's far from the truth. It's more of a selective agent in the soil, suppressing disease and allowing beneficial microorganisms to come back in that soil and help that crop grow. By the time you plant your crop, there's nothing left in the ground, no residue left on the crop whatsoever.
We have all these tools. We can start saving the grower money because they don't have to apply as much product, getting better yields, and ultimately it all feeds into sustainability. More people in the world and less land to farm with. How can we grow everything, all our crops more efficiently than we have? Because we need to grow more as the population increases.
Quality land for farming is becoming more and more limited. Our products allow a farmer to farm his better ground more often, a financial benefit above and beyond the benefit the product provides to that immediate crop. I try not to get too excited about it, but I consider chloropicrin or strike, the strike family of products, as sort of a baseline product in that you can put this into a crop production system and it helps that farmer, it helps the community, and it helps save rural America.